Okay, this is our experiment. I'm a plumber, some of you guys might know. My boss and I like to keep strange plumbing fixtures or fittings that we find. And this is a brass boozy tee. We've never seen one with that many outlets. Anyways, it's kind of corroded, and we were joking around and thought that, well, hey, let's put it in Coca-Cola, because we heard, the different video. We've watched different videos of what Coca-Cola can do, so we will try this and see what happens. See how well it cleans it up, takes all that nasty stuff off. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's pour it in like a draft beer, so don't foam up so much. You never poured a draft beer.
It doesn't matter, it's gonna be foam.
Yeah. If I come back and the bucket will be gone.
Shit.
Yeah, we need more.
Can't believe we're drinking this stuff. Listen to that thing sizzle.
Is it sizzling?
Sizzles like you're freaking. I just need to turn it all around to me.
Dang, we're gonna need.
Rotate it around or something.
Oh, we might need more. All right, let's see what Coca-Cola did to this brass fitting. This nasty brass fitting in 24 hours. No, I can't even get it out of it. Well, you can definitely see a difference there. See the line there where it was sitting outside of the Coca-Cola. It's definitely changed the copper pieces that are there. Let's check it out in the light. Sunlight. It really shows up.